Imagine landing a senior role at Amazon Web Services at just 26 years old. Sounds unlikely? I get it. I used to think the same. But here's the thing. I did it. And if you stick around, I'll show you exactly how. And how you can too. Hey there, future tech leaders. I'm Garin Tech. Today I'm pulling back the curtain on how I became a senior technical account manager at AWS. And here's what might surprise you. I'm not a developer. I didn't take a traditional path. If you love tech but don't see yourself coding 24/7, this might just open a new door for you. 3 years ago, I was working a junior cybersecurity job while juggling my master's degree. Fast forward, and I'm managing customers with $20 million plus in cloud spend annually. I became the youngest L5 TAM in EMEA. I even picked up the TAM Rookie Award. But this isn't about bragging, this is about how. So let's rewind. I studied telecommunications engineering at a regular public university. No Ivy League, no fast track into big tech. And that's important, because it means you don't need prestige to succeed in tech. Pro tip number 1, real-world experience beats perfect grades. I landed an internship at a small IT consultancy during my final year. Nothing flashy, but it got me in the game. Then something unexpected happened. I received a Cisco scholarship, got security training, earned my first cert, and pivoted into cybersecurity. One day I was a software engineering intern, the next I was a junior cybersecurity engineer. That moment taught me, you don't need permission to level up, you need momentum. I doubled down on 2 products, IBM Corridor SIEM and Qualys Vulnerability Management. That focus landed me a job at an IBM subsidiary company as a senior security systems consultant. At IBM, things shifted. I wasn't just doing the tech, I was leading enterprise security projects, translating complex tech into business decisions, building trust with execs. Pro tip number 2, tech skills open doors, but people skills? They build empires. I turned my master's into a strategic advantage by focusing on cloud security and AWS. I earned my AWS security certification and even dedicated my thesis to threat detection in AWS using Corridor, blending academic research with real-world relevance. Looking back, every little step was building the case I didn't even know I'd need. I'll be honest, there were moments I didn't feel tech enough. Not a dev, not from a top school, not the loudest voice in the room. But every time I felt out of place, I reminded myself, you belong when you show up and deliver. So why TAM at AWS? 3 reasons. It blends deep tech with real human connection. You touch everything. Cloud, security, infra, architecture. Growth is baked into the culture. The interview process? Brutal. 6 rounds, behavioral deep dives, technical scenarios, and leadership principles at every turn. But I had receipts. My cloud security thesis? Technical depth. My time at IBM? Customer obsession and leadership. Every twist in my journey mapped to their playbook. Here's a quick snapshot of how it all unfolded. I started with a telecom engineering degree from a public university, wrapped up my studies while doing a software engineering internship, scored a local internship that led to my first cybersecurity role, then specialized in SIEM and vulnerability management, which opened the door to IBM, while pursuing a master's in cloud security and getting AWS certified. Landed the L5 technical account manager role at Amazon Web Services at age 24, and finally was promoted to senior technical account manager, L6 at Amazon Web Services, in less than 18 months every step. A building block. So what was the secret formula? Deep technical focus, proven leadership in tough projects, obsessive customer mindset, relentless curiosity. It worked. I outperformed over 200 new TAMs across EMEA and picked up that rookie award in the process. Not because I was the smartest, but because I was consistent, coachable, and clear about the value I brought. If you're looking to follow a similar path, earn certifications with intention, sharpen your storytelling and people skills, seek high-impact projects, even small ones count. Track your wins with data. Build relationships before you need them. And most importantly, get uncomfortable in your comfort zone. Growth lives just outside it. That's the blueprint, how I landed an L6 senior TAM role at AWS at 26. There's no single path into tech. This was mine. Yours might look different, and that's exactly the point. Got questions about breaking into AWS or navigating non-dev tech roles? Drop them below. If this gave you clarity, consider subscribing. The next video takes you inside a real day in the life of an AWS TAM. You'll want to see it.